In today's video, we're going to be checking out 5 of the coolest electric vehicles that you probably have never heard of. Hey gearheads, are you guys fans of electric vehicles? Don't skip this video even if you're not so keen on going green. It's pretty obvious that electric vehicles are here to stay. But you might be surprised to know there's more than just Tesla in the mix. That's why in today's video, we're going to be checking out 5 of the coolest electric vehicles that you probably, maybe, have never heard of, but definitely should. But before we get into it, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Jen. I'm a gadget nerd, gearhead, and all-around tech lover. Basically, if it has a motor or a motherboard, I'm interested. So if you like cruising, computing, or anything in between, please do me a favor and smack that subscribe button and turn your bell notifications on. That way you don't miss out on the latest and hottest trends. All right, you ready? Let's get into it. Looking something like a cross between a futuristic utility truck and a deep sea submarine, the pickup truck from California-based EV startup Canoe is an exciting new innovative line currently in development. Featuring a targeted 500 horsepower engine and an 1,800 pound payload capacity, the EV truck holds its own against other mid-range diesel pickups. But its main selling point is the modular bed and tray. The normally 6-foot tray extends out for oversized cargo, giving a full 8 feet of bed space, complete with lockable guardrails, step platforms, tables, and workbenches. Also seem to fold out of every surface. Being an EV though, customizable power points can also be installed to provide utility power, USB and 12-volt power range for a range of different appliances and devices as well. The battery is also modular and is able to be upgraded or replaced as tech improves over the years. Plus, integrated and overhead LED lighting help you find your tools after dark or provides the perfect backdrop if you've taken the pickup out camping. Speaking of happy campers, you will be, because a range of accessories can be added on if you so please as well. Camper shell, roof racks, and expandable storage options. While Canoe's pickup truck is still in development, engineers think the first models will be shipping out sometime in 2023. Time for the number 4 EV company you have never heard of, Rivian. As a company, Rivian is really interesting. At the time of their IPO, they were valued at $153 billion. This was before even a single EV was sold, making them the largest US company in history with 0 revenue. Crazy! Luckily, things have changed somewhat with the first delivery of their R1S electric 7-seater SUV. Designed to be a competitor to Tesla, the R1S is not only cheaper, but has a range of innovation that makes it a sweet, viable alternative, at least, to Elon Musk's EV giant empire. On board, it features an 800 horsepower powertrain that can pull 0 to 60 in an impressive 3 seconds, and a battery pack that boasts a range of around 316 miles. Inside, it's a tech lover's paradise with LTE and Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth pairing, Alexa voice commands, wireless inductive charging, and a whole spectrum of wired charging options. Okay, you definitely have heard of this automaker, but you may not have seen this unique electric model yet. Coming in at number 3 on our list, the Cadillac Lyriq. Yes, the much-loved American automotive brand Cadillac has gone electric, baby, and they've given their iconic aesthetic a makeover. Scheduled for 2022, Cadillac Lyriq is one of the best-looking and performing EVs come into production. General Motors has learned a lot over the years with their Chevy Bolt and Volt line, and that experience shows up here with the Lyriq. Featuring a 12-module, 100.4 kilowatt per hour Ultium battery. The Lyriq boasts a range of over 300 miles on a single charge. The Lyriq also gets a high-tech upgrade with a 33-inch diagonal LED dash display, driver and parking assistance, choreographed LED lighting, one-pedal driving, and battery regen on demand. I don't know about you, but this Lyriq is music to my ears. One of the most anticipated EVs in 2022 has got to be Kia's first dive into the all-electric pool. The EV6 not only boasts some impressive battery range and acceleration, but a brand new 800-volt multi-charging system means that you can charge an empty battery to 80% in under 18 minutes. Whoa! Imagine pulling into a charging station, grabbing a cup of joe, and having your car good to go before you can finish your latte. In fact, if you're a person who gets range anxiety, get this, just a 4.5-minute charge will give you an extra 60 miles, perfect if you only need like fast top-ups and travel short distances. Inside, you're going to be just as impressed because you've got an augmented reality heads-up display, curved panoramic dash, and a range of intuitive driver features. The EV6 is also a vehicle-to-load power station, meaning it works as a portable electricity supply up to 3.6 kilowatts per hour for outdoor and leisure activities if you need it. Almost ready to pull the trigger and buy it? Well, great news! The EV6 is set to launch sometime in early 2022. When it comes to tough, high-octane, American-made trucks, there aren't many models quite as iconic as Ford's F-Series. So when Ford unveiled their plans to slap an F on their first all-electric pickup, well, it was a big vote of confidence in the future of EVs. Built as tough and put through the same rigorous testing as the other gas F-150s were subject to, the Lightning stands up strong. You'll find an engine capable of targeting 563 horsepower, 775 pound-feet of torque, and with the extended range battery, actually it has a faster acceleration than any F-150 to date. Oh, plus you can carry a maximum payload of 2,000 pounds or tow up to 10,000 pounds, all without breaking a sweat. And the best feature of it all, well, if your home loses power due to like blackouts or storms, like we've seen in several states, well, the F-150 Lightning can be used as a generator, providing backup power for 3 days of continuous use until services are restored. So, what do you guys think? Do you have an EV? Are you planning to go electric anytime soon? Are you not on board yet? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you are into electric vehicles, which one do you have your eye on? Let me know that too in the comments. But before you leave, please do me a favor and subscribe and turn your bell notifications on. That way you're the first to know every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, Gearheads. I'll see you again soon.